Alright, Jerry, start walking around. We have Gangsta Boss, Painkiller. Oh, let me read the list off. We got Albino Man, J2 Exclusive, Fat Rogers, Jay Breezy, Fear God. We got A-Man. We got Gangsta Boss, Minky, Film Gold, Lake Dog, Thomas, Clark, Rules, Yo Gotti, Oscar Martina, Gucci Man, No Killer, and Painkiller, all in Albino Man's car shop. Here we go. Checking out all the cars. I like that there, eh? I like that. I like that color, though. Mm-hmm. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, that's nice. Keep your names in so I can see them. Oscar Martinez, I like that. I like that, Oscar Mar. I like the cream selection over here. That's nice. Alright, look at this nigga. I like that. I like that. This nigga's in his shit. Hanging out the motherfucking window. Can I jump in that once? Jump in that, Dre. Does it throw him out? We're brothers. Take a picture, guys. Say hello to our little friend. Nice, nice. I like that. Alright, next car I go to. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh. I like that. I like that there. Who is that? Yo, Thomas. Thomas, I like the crew emblem. I love the crew emblem. I love the car. Fear God, I like your car too. Now we got Albino Man's gold car. Alright, Dre, what do you think? You go to number 3. Alright, number 3 goes to... Go stand by the car. Number 3 is... What's the name? Lake Dog. Number 3 goes to Lake Dog. Number 2 goes to... This man right here, Gucci Man, second. Number 1 goes to Fear God. Fear God gets this one, guys. Fear God. Gucci Man number 2. Lake God of number 3. Thank you guys for coming to Bad Boy World of Stupid Car Show. Thank you. Whoa. Somebody blew the whole